Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about continue chapter 4 political concepts. Okay, political science. Political science or civics. Chapter 4. We will discuss and continue chapter 4 political concept. Topic about liberty or freedom and next rule of law. Okay. Chapter 4. Political concepts. Political concepts. Today we will discuss about two matters. Number one, rule of law. Rule of law. Okay, here rule of law. All are equal before the law. Here main concept of our Indian Constitution. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about law. Common types of law. Statutory law, civil, mainly two types of laws there, national law and international law. National law it is also called light regional type of law, regional law. Okay, today we will discuss about rule of law. Okay, the rule of law it is mainly Constitution of England. This rule of law following particular which country? The Constitution of Britain or Constitution of England, Constitution of Britain and United States of America, Constitution of Britain, United States of America, USA, okay, United States of America, USA, okay. And next parliamentary system of India, parliamentary government and parliamentary system of India. These are three countries follow the system rule of law. The rule of law is the main important of the every political concept. Rule of law. So the Constitution of Britain also main important part of the Constitution of Britain, main important part of the rule of law. Okay, the rule is different from compared to different countries or different states, different type of follow the system, the rule. Okay, how to follow the rule and how to mainly help of the every country, the systematically manner. It is help of the law. Okay, mainly the English government of countries, English or Britain government of countries. The rule of law is the last permanent part of the Great Britain. Number two, United States of America, US. Okay, USA. The US also mainly permanent part of the rule of law. Here USA two types of system there. Number one, sovereignty. It is also called the fraternity system. Okay, fraternity. And next to central government. Next to fraternity type of system, sovereign system. It is also called sovereign. Okay, the sovereign government, central government, two types of systems there. United States of America. America also mainly rule of law system also following. Rule of law system following. Okay, next the parliamentary system of the country, India. India is also mainly follow the system, rule of law system. Okay, the rule of law is mainly every democratic country, particularly the Great Britain of Constitution and next United States of America, US Constitution and the parliamentary system of the government India. Okay, these are three countries compulsory final steps. Okay, compulsory permanent steps of the rule of law. Yesterday already we discussed the law. So the law is delivered from it is law type of system Germany word. It is which language word? Germany word law. Okay. So this law is a system of the governments. How to follow the system of the government and governance, e-government system. Okay, we will discuss already yesterday. Today, rule of law is the main ambitions of the system. Political ambitions, political goals, ambitions and goals, and next to aims. Political aims also. What is the main aims of the political parties? And what is the main theory of the political thinkers? Different type of political thinkers will explain the rule of law. All are equal before the law. It is main theme of the our Indian Constitution. All are equal before the law. All are equal before the law. Okay. See Nana, all are equal before the law. It is main part of the our Indian Constitution. All are equal before the law is main topic. Okay, our Indian Constitution. Okay, next United States America also follow the rule of law. This rule of law is different countries different type of following a rule. The rule is different, but follow the system only under the Constitution principle. Under the system Constitution, the Constitution system only we will follow the every democratic country follow the rule of law under the Constitution system. Okay, the rule of law is mainly help of the rule of law. It is mainly help of the political leaders and so important of the national movements also. National movement historically so many type of movements are there in our Indian history. Okay, national movement also mainly help of the rule of law. Okay, in this system mainly one side, not only one side, it is mainly depend on all type of categories. It is mainly support the rule of law, support particularly political leaders. The political leaders except to national movements, national movement of the political leaders. National movements. Okay, the national movements of the political leaders mainly support of the rule of law. Okay, it is the main theme of the all are equal before the law. In India, every citizen of the country mainly follow the system under the Constitution system, the Constitution principle. Every democratic constituency, every democratic countries mainly follow the under the legislatives, executives, and judiciary members. These are three type of formation of the government. The government also mainly formation of three type of steps, three levels or three steps. Executive members, legislative members, judiciary members. Judiciary means it is also called the justice. Okay, equal type of law and follow the single type of judiciary system. Okay. It is mainly follow the rule of law. The every constitution of the country, every constitution, particularly India type of countries, India type of colonial countries. Which type countries? India type of colonial, British colonial countries. Especially India type of British colonial countries. These are countries mainly follow the system under the rule of law. Okay, it is mentioned clearly. The rule of law is it is mainly goals, help, and evidence of the political theory and political movements. Political theory and political movements. Okay, the rule of law is also one of the permanent part of the law. How many types of laws? Overall, two types: national laws, international law. Okay, national law it is one of the part of the system rule of law. Okay, the law under the main part of the system rule of law. Rule of law is different. Remaining laws are different there, but only rule of law is different. The rule of law especially particularly political parties. The political parties goals only we will discuss about rule of law, political party system, political goals. Okay, political movements also like national and regional movements also. We will already that it is the law. Okay, statutory law, example, and judiciary type of law. Okay, next state law. State law and separate of the law system. Okay, special law. It is also called a special law. And another part law. Another part last one, rule of law. The rule of law is the main important of the overall laws. Overall laws are overall judicial system. Overall judicial system or overall laws. Okay. Next rule of law. Next liberty or freedom. Next topic is liberty. Liberty or freedom. Liberty and freedom. These are synonyms words. Okay, liberty it is also called freedom. Liberty and freedom. Which words? Synonyms. Okay, liberty and freedoms. Okay, the liberty is also, it is mainly, liberty is also different type of meanings there, like Constitution of India. Okay, this is also mainly which word? The Constitution of India. The liberty is main important of the word under the Indian Constitution. Okay, liberty of US and liberty of India and other foreign countries. Okay, this is which words? Synonyms. Okay, so this is the distinctive qualities. The liberty, this word under the which words? Distinctive qualities words. Okay, distinctive qualities. Okay, this is the quality. Distinctive quality of the word liberty. Distinctive quality. What is the distinctive quality means? The liberty is mainly people's more wanted like freedom. Okay, the freedom of the country, the freedom of the nation, the freedom of the many group of countries, like every democratic constitution of countries, every democratic constitution of the countries. So this is the like freedom, liberty of freedom. So this is the distinctive quality of the countries. Distinctive qualities. Okay, this is the most important of the word distinctive quality. Okay, the distinctive quality. Next, this is the which word? Libertarian. So this is the mainly Latin word libertatum. Latin word libertatum is derived from, it is now English word is called liberty. So liberty derived from which word? Latin word. Okay, the liberty is derived from which language word? Latin. Liberty it is also called freedom. Freedom, liberty is same in there. Okay, so libertatum means it is rules or it is distinctive. Okay, libertatum means it is called distinctive. So the liberty is derived from Latin word. It is called libertatum. Libertatum. It is called distinctive quality. Distinctive quality. Okay, the freedom, it is more freedom of the every democratic country. Freedom of the country, like every democratic countries, freedom is, it is the main important. People's freedom, people's goals, and the people's aspirations of goals. Okay, people's security. The liberty is also many definitions. What is main topic of definitions? Okay, what is the main meaning of liberties? The liberty is mainly definitions. Different type of persons explained about liberty. Example, one person. The person means one greatest political scientist. Who is the person? Gilchrist. The Gilchrist explained what is the meaning of liberty. The liberty is under the more freedom of the every democratic country. The Gilchrist is the main England scientist. Okay, the Gilchrist explained what is the meaning of liberty. Liberty is more and great freedom of the every citizen, every country people. Okay, we will follow the every democratic country more freedom like a constitution system. Okay, it is under the constitution system. It is under more freedom of the liberty. Who is explained? Gilchrist. Okay, here in our Constitution of India, in our Constitution of India, the liberty is so many type of meanings are there. Okay, like liberty, like example, right to freedom. Right to freedom under Article 19. Right to freedom under Article number 19. Okay, the freedom rights. How many types are right to freedom? 6 types are there. Right to freedom, how many types? 6 types. So right to freedom. Freedom is the main important of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Next to second person, J.R. Seeley. J.R. Seeley. First person, Gilchrist. Second person, J.R. Seeley. J.R. Seeley, liberty is under the injustice type of system. It is every citizen, or injustice means like it is not only justice. It is not only justice. It is equality for all people. Every person mainly follow the system, liberty or freedom. Who is spelled J.R. Seeley. Okay, this is also one of the permanent type of system. Every political concept, and it is also called permanent. Okay, what is the main difference Gilchrist and J.R. Seeley? Gilchrist mainly will explain clearly liberty and freedom. This type of system only every citizen will following. But J.R. Seeley is justice. Okay, citizen are the following and it is follow the justice also. Okay, next third person, F.A. Hayil. F.A. Hayil. F.A. Hayil also explain the liberty. Liberty is mainly undeliverable system. Undeliverable system. Liberty or freedom. Undeliverable system. And next it is every citizen of democratic country. It is follow the every person under the characteristics of freedom. Okay, freedom in our India it is called freedom. But in for example US Constitution, it is called liberty. Statue of Liberty. Example, Statue of Liberty. Where is there? United States of America. Okay, freedom of the right to freedom of the nation. Okay, and like example, Union of States, freedom of the nations. Mainly will follow the Indian democratic or Indian constitution system. Okay, but different type of persons will explain different type of system. Next F.A. Hayil after next to T.H. Green. T.H. Green also explain liberty. Okay, here definitions. First one Gilchrist. Second J.R. Seeley. It is mainly follow the justice type of system. Number 3 F.A. Hayil under undeliverable type of system. Next to T.H. Green. T.H. Green it is mentioned liberty and freedom. These are many synonyms words. It is follow the system in every democratic countries. Rules and regulation is different, but follow the system only one way type of method system there. One way type of main method type of system there. So it is the T.H. Green. The T.H. Green it is mentioned clearly justice and freedom and liberty. The freedom and liberty, these are main important of the words in our Indian Constitution. Not only Indian Constitution, every democratic constitution. Freedom, it is freedom. The freedom is the main important of the and permanent part of the in political theory type of system. Political system. Okay, the liberty is also so many type of characters there. Okay, the liberty is also so many type of so many types are there. So many types are there. Okay, like casual liberty. Okay, next including type of multi type of freedom, multiple liberty. Okay, casual and multiple liberty. Okay, and next justice type of liberty, same as it is law. The law is also different type of there law. Under the different type of classifications also there. Classifications and different type of categories. Okay, it is called under the control of the law. And liberty is also different type of meanings, different type of definitions also there liberty, and different types of characters also there liberty. Okay, the liberty it is under the constitutional type of system, constitutional monarch type of system. So the liberty and freedom, every citizen or every person, it is citizen means it is called every person. Every person wanted the more freedom. Okay, the person will wanted the freedom or next justice and equality also. Like example, rule of law. Rule of law under the constitutional type of system. Rule of law. Next stages type of system, sovereignty and secular. So the people of India is also mainly follow these two types of word. 42 amendments changes of the liberty and freedom. Okay, 42nd amendment. About how many amendments are there? Up to 2015. How many amendments are there? 99 amendments are changed up to 2015. Up to 2015, how many amendments are? 99 amendments in our Indian Constitution. Amendment means some principles, some system of changes of the Constitution. Some principles, some system, some changes of the Constitution. So up to 2015, 99 amendments were changed. Okay, this is topic mainly liberty. Today we will discuss mainly two types of topics. Number one, rule of law, and number two, liberty or freedom. Okay, today we will discuss liberty or freedom and rule of law. Okay, students, next we will continue to discuss about different types of liberties, the many types of liberties, and which purpose are mainly useful of the liberty and freedom. Okay, we will discuss next class. Okay, students, thank you.